If you're getting COD Black Ops 6 server issues, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection and game server status. You need a stable internet connection while playing games like Black Ops 6. So check your internet speed from speedtest.net. If you have an unstable and poor internet connection, then contact your service provider. You can also restart your router or modem and see if this works. Next, you can check the Black Ops 6 server status. You can search for COD Black Ops 6 server status and click on the options provided on the internet and check if there is any server outage. If there is any server outage, then wait for some time and then relaunch the game and check again. When the server becomes up and live again, try to launch the game and see. Method 2. Restart the router or modem. Next, you can also restart the router and modem to fix the issue. Turn off the router or modem and disconnect it from the power source. Allow a few minutes before reconnecting everything. Now turn on the router or modem and check if this has fixed the problem. Method 3. Update your game. Make sure COD Black Ops 6 and your gaming platform are updated to the latest versions. You can look for any latest patch available on the platform and download and install it. Then relaunch the game and check. For Steam users, check if there is any update button for the game. Then you can download and install it and play the game. Check for any pending updates and install them. Method 4. Check firewall settings. Ensure that your firewall is not blocking the game. Add COD Black Ops 6 to the list of allowed applications in your firewall settings. Here is how to add COD Black Ops 6 to the list of allowed applications in Firewall. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through Firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check. Method 5. Clear app cache. Press Windows +R to launch the Run utility. Type %local app data % in the Run command box and press Enter. Delete the game-related folders from the local folder. Here, we are showing this as an example. The steps are the same for Black Ops 6. Method 6. Verify the integrity of the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this, so verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Here we are showing this as an example. The steps are the same for Black Ops 6. Go to the Install Files tab and then verify the integrity of the game files. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 7. Disable proxy servers. The next thing you can try is disabling the proxy server. Enter Internet options in the search menu and open the top option. Go to the Connections tab and click on the LAN settings. Find and uncheck the box attached to Use proxy servers for your LAN option. Click on OK to save the changes. Method 8. Reset the WinHTTP proxy settings. You can also reset the WinHTTP settings using command prompt. The command netsh WinHTTP reset proxy is used to reset the WinHTTP proxy settings on your Windows computer. When you run this command, it removes any proxy server settings and configures the system to use direct access to the internet bypassing any proxy servers. Type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Click on Yes from the USE prompt. Type netsh win HTTP reset proxy in the elevated command prompt window, then hit Enter. Once you have executed the command, exit command prompt and restart your system. Launch the game. Now initially you may get administrator access error, but later on the game should run smoothly without the error. Method 9. Change network profile type. Network profile configures Windows firewall protection. If you have set the network profile to the public option, then your firewall protection may not allow any connection that is not done manually. Getting a false positive, the firewall can block your game. So, change your network profile to private and see if it solves the problem. Go to the right bottom corner of your screen and right-click on the network icon. Click on Network and Internet Settings option. Click on the arrow button next to the internet you are connected to and select Private as your network profile. Restart your PC. Method 10. Update your Windows OS. Windows updates can help resolve issues while gaming. Also, updating Windows to the latest version ensures your computer runs with the latest security and performance enhancements. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 11. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. Flushing the DNS will clear all the DNS cache. You can also reset the network settings. If the game cannot connect to the server due to network-related issues, then this should fix the problem. Here is how to do so. Type CMD in the search menu. Select Run as administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window. Press the Enter button after each command. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int IP reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Method 12. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 13. Change DNS. You can also try changing the DNS and see if this can help. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View By option to small or large icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Now select your internet connection next to Connections. Then open its properties. Or you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for the Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if this issue is fixed. Method 14. Contact the game support team. If the methods shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the COD support team. You can open a web browser and type the name of the game, then support, and click on the first option you get. Now state your problem and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the COD Black Ops 6 server issues. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.